Roommates are part of the fun and excitement of dorm life, but even the most social students need a little privacy every once in a while. Today on Decor to Die For Dorm Edition, we'll show you how to customize room dividers to build your own stylized space in a shared area. First up, use fabric for a personalized pop of color. Cut strips of fabric that are 1 inch thick. Tie one end of each strip to the room divider. Then weave the fabric through. Tie the fabric again at the end to secure. Repeat this process to cover the room divider. When you're done, you can also hang hooks for extra storage. Next up, look fresh year after year with this artificial plant wall. Artificial plants are perfect if you can't have a live plant, but still want to enjoy the beauty of nature. First, gather your plants. Take an elastic cord and, wrapping it tightly around a plant, secure it to the room divider. Repeat this until you've made a full wall of plants. You can even hook on a container and add succulents. Now, your garden reading corner is your own personal haven in a shared space. Thank you for watching Decor to Die For Dorm Edition. Be sure to use the hashtag #backtocollege to tell us all about your dorm room essentials, and tune in next week for another episode.